Hiya, I'm Vicky, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a bonfire night, New Year's Eve, firework party nail using the chrome pigments. So I've already prepped and sculpted this nail. So it's just ready for a design over the top, and I'm going to use gel polish to do this design. So push up towards the cuticle, and sides. Right, so when you're happy with the coverage of that, you can pop it under the lamp. 30 seconds, please. I'm going to go in and do my second coat of Serious Black. And pop that back under the lamp, please. 30 seconds. And using the Urban Grafitti Top Coat, I'm going to seal the black in. And this is going to be the base for the pigments to go on. Pop it in. For 60 seconds, please. Using the Naio Nails Chrome pigments, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of each colour and rub it into that top coat. Doesn't matter if they overlap, it'll look more like a firework if all the colours merge together. And using the fan brush, just brush off the excess pigment. Then using the Naio Nails 002 brush, gonna dip into the top coat and just do like little firework explosions. Just using the tip of the brush. Because this is quite a long nail, I can get a couple of fireworks exploding on it. A couple of little dots. And then pop that onto the lamp, please, for 60 seconds. Right, now using a Lint Free Wipe and the Naio Nails Pure Acetone. And so you rub off the pigment, and you can see where you've put the top coat on, it keeps that pigment sealed in, and the acetone will take off the not sealed in bit. And there you go, it looks like a firework. Using Naio Nails cuticle oil and pink pineapple to rehydrate that nail. And there you go. It's like a New Year's party after Christmas themed nail. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the products are listed below. I'll see you next time. Bye!